Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is October 14, 21 variant question algebra. So this is easy. 3 multiplies there is a piece of cake only, and x is 3/4. Okay, over. This is also a piece of cake, easy. So 3 2s are 6, but make a sign change. 3 1s are 3. Solve these two, negative 2y, and it goes there, become 8, and y becomes -4. Okay. All right, because -2 goes there and sign not changes. Here, top we can take common out. So 15 and 30, and both are divisible on one common table. And that is, if we divide on 5, 5 6 are 30, 5 3 are 15, and 6 are 30. Again 3, 3, 1 and 2. So 3, 5, 15 comes out. So 15 and W. It gives you only W, it gives you 6 only. So this one comes here, and this, 15 to the 30. Thank you. This 2 comes here, and this 1 comes here. Okay. Now here, common out. Algebraic rule, common out, 5 common. So W squared, 5 4 is 20. 5 4 is 20, 5 1 is 1. Okay. So this cancel 5, we got a 3W. Here W minus 2. Here, we have a formula, and I discussed many times. So a squared minus b squared. Two terms and negative sign in the middle. So square of a and square of b gives you 1 time a plus b and 1 time a minus b. This criteria I will apply here. So this is a square of some value, yes. And this is square of value, yes, too. And it's a w. So what is next plan? Okay, apply formula in this one. So because we got a w plus 2 and w minus 2. So this cancel, and this is our answer. Okay, done. Let's come this question. So we have a C part, and he's saying that this is called a slab. This is called one slab, okay? And he said that the width is P. So it means this, I show you this is a one slab, okay? The width is a B, and the length is 20 longer. Longer means adding. So B plus 20. So he is asking what is the area of the one slab. So simply multiply. So area of the slab is coming length times to width. And length, B plus 20. And width is B only. So B times B squared, and we got 20B. So we got the first part so easily. And let's go for the next part. And next part is asking here to prove it. So let's see how we can prove it. Sorry, it's not a B, this is a P. So I should write P, not B. Okay. So let me check a P. P here and P here. So in this way, I'll take this P as well. So P came in mind, that is why I took as a P. Okay, now clear. So let's go for the next one. And what he's asking here, the area of how many we have. Check please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 5 is 35. So we have this kind of 35, okay. So I can see here 35 times 2. P squared plus 20p gives you 12.25. So area of the plateau, okay, we have this one. So now check it. Now what is my target to prove? My target to prove is I have to see that what the number beside it. So no number beside it. So it means this 35 is not required there. Yes, so because my target to prove is this no number beside of it. So this number I will divide. So P squared plus 20P and 12.25 divided by 35. And let me check what to get answer here. So 12.25 divided by 35, yeah, it is coming 0.35. So one thing is here, this is not centimeter square. I check the paper, this is a meter square. So meter square, and you know that whenever I just give idea even here, I give idea here, okay. whenever you convert centimeter to meter, so what to do? Divided by 100. But when I do converting centimeter square to meter square, okay, or backward, if I go backward means meter to centimeter, so multiply. But when I go for meter square to centimeter square, not 100 multiply, 100 to power 2. For length, no power. For area, square. For volume, cube. This is a criteria. So it means this number, I want to convert it, so 12.25 into 100 square. So the same way, it means 12.25 into 100 square. Similarly, even here, so 12.25 into 100 square divided by 35. So let's see what happens then. So into 100 square, it gives us 3500, and that is the correct answer. So actually we did conversion mistake only, but we done now. Bring it here, and p square plus 20p and minus 3500 equal to 0, proved. So we have done the proving part. And next plan, he's asking us, let me just see the question. He's asking solve by factorization. Oh, okay. Here he's bounding us. So bounding us on factorization. So third part A we have to do now, factorization. So A part. And a little bit tricky, so because the big numbers, that is why. So 3500. And our best technique, if you don't know, so p square, first term copy, last term copy, without any change. Now check which two numbers possible here, okay? So 3500 we have. So we multiply, we got a 3500. Okay. So I think so such a numbers which gives us okay. So answer is either 50 and 70. You know 50 and 70. Like if I divide on 50, so into 70, you get it. So, and if you subtract that, you get a 20. So bigger number positive, so 70 positive, so 70 p positive and 50 p negative. And from here p common, we got a p plus 70. And from here minus 50 common, I got p plus 70 equal to 0. And p plus 70 and p minus 50 equal to 0. This equal to 0 or this equal to 0. This gives you a negative which is ignored, you know, length not because it's negative. So this is acceptable. So 50 centimeter is acceptable. This is required length. And after this, we will go for last part. He's asking, give me the length of each. So length, how to find length? Length is not p. No, there's a weight. Length is p plus 20. So what's the length? So length of slab, each slab, okay? It is 50 plus 20. Yeah, it gives you 70 centimeter. So that's it, and I think so idea is very clear.